Hi everyone, this is Shravan Kumar Kanavena. This video is continuation of previous class from chapter 1 preliminary. Now I am going to explain second topic of preliminary, nothing but definitions. In these definitions, the first topic is in these regulation unless the context otherwise requires. Context is nothing but the terminology which we are using day to day life in our mining sector, like abundant working act, approved safety lamp, assistant manager, auxiliary fan, average employment, average output, banksman, bellman, and etc. so on, which may justifies as a definition is known as context. So in these definition, first definition of preliminary section is abandoned working. Abandoned working means such working as have been abandoned with no intention of working in future. That means nothing but the working which has been stopped or the working which has been not yet working, or no hopes that working has been worked in future. Okay, next act. Act means the Mines Act, which is established in 1952 under the regulation of 35 of 1952. Okay, next definition. Approved safety lamp and approved electric torch mean respectively a safety lamp or an electric torch manufactured by such firm and of such type as the chief inspector may form time to time specified by a general or special order. So these definition justifies the meaning of approved safety lamp or approved electric torch, nothing but the safety lamp or electric torch which may be approved by the chief inspector time to time specified by general or special order, nothing but they have considered should be under the DGMS of chief inspector permissions to approve the using safety lamp or electric torch. Okay, next definition. Assistant manager. Assistant manager means a person possesses a manager certificate appointed in writing by the owner, agent, or manager to assist the manager in the management, control, supervision, and direction of the mine or part thereof, and who holds the rank immediately below the manager and supervisor to a mine foreman and a mine mate. Okay, assistant manager is simply seen as who has possessing the certificate of managers, nothing but who has possessing manager's certificate and duly appointed by the owner or agent or manager in such manner to supervise the mine or direction of a mine which holds the rank immediately below the manager, nothing but he is below the manager and superior to the mine foreman or mine mate or mine oreman, can also simply call him as second class manager. Next definition is auxiliary fan. Auxiliary fan means a forcing fan or an exhaust fan used below ground or mainly for ventilating one or more phases form part of ventilating district. This auxiliary fan simply we can call it as forcing fan or exhaust fan. We can use this auxiliary fan for the ventilation purpose as by installing in our mining sector top of the mine as an exhaust fan or in between the mine to ventilate the districts. These auxiliary fan should be located at the top of the mine, nothing but entries of the entry or exit of the mine. It is used for below ground mines, nothing but underground mines. And next definition is average employment. Average employment of an mine means the average per day during the preceding calendar from 1st day of January and 31st day of December of the total employment in all excavations and specified ancillary facilities within the specified mine boundaries. So this definition is saying that average employment of any mine is nothing but the persons which are employing employees of certain mine from the calendar year of 1st day of January to 31st day of December of that particular year. Those employees are participating in all excavations of that particular mine or specified ancillary facilities with specified mine boundaries, and they should consider as dividing the number of men dividing the number of men worked by the number of working days, excluding that rest days and non-working days. That means they subtract the working days which they may not attend for the duties of employee. Okay, next definition. Average output of any mine. So, average output of any mine means the average output per month during the preceding financial year of the total output from all workings within the specified mine boundaries. So, these average output may consider as total output which has been extracted from the mine by the workings in that particular financial year is known as average output. Okay, next definition. Banksman means a person appointed to superintend the lowering and raising of person, tools and materials and to transmit signals at the top of the shaft or winds. So this definition, banksman, is saying nothing but the person who has been appointed for the superintend the lowering and rising of persons or tools or materials, whatever may be. He is located at the top of the mine or top of the shaft or top of the winds, and his duty is to lower or rise the persons, such like employees of the mine, and he should be transmit the signals when he has lowering or raising the cage. Next definition, bellman. Bellman means a person appointed to superintend the rising and lowering of a person's tools, material and to transmit signal at inset, landing or shaft bottom. So these bellmen should be located at the bottom of the mine, nothing but bottom of the shaft or bottom of the incline, and his duties is rising or lowering the tools, materials and men from bottom to top of the mine. He should be transmit signals in order to avoid accidents in the shaft. Blaster means a person possessing a manager's, foreman, mates or blaster certificate and appointed by the manager in writing to perform the duties of a blaster under these regulations. Blaster is a person who has been appointed by the manager writing to perform his duties as a blaster, who has especially possessing the certificate, manager certificate or foreman certificate, mate certificate. At least a blaster certificate should be possessed by the by the person. Next definition, booster fan. Booster fan means a mechanical ventilator used below ground for boosting the whole current of air passing along the intake or return airway of a mine to ventilating district. So the booster fan term which relates to the ventilation. Nothing but we are accessing a mechanical ventilator to easy way of passing. Nothing but easy passing air to ventilate the each and every part of the mine, each and every part of ventilating mine. Also we can say it as simply boosting the air to reach every part of the mine in the districts. Next definition, committee. Committee means a committee appointed under the section 12 of the act. Committee is nothing but simply we can say the persons forming into a committee, nothing but to achieve their deeds and indeeds from their superiors to run the mine safely. This committee should be considered under the section 12 of this act. Okay, next topic is competent person. Competent person in relation to any work or any machinery, plant or equipment means a person who has attained the age of 20 years and who has been duly appointed in writing by the manager as a person competent to supervise or perform the work to supervise the operation of the machinery, plant or equipment, and who is responsible for his duties assigned to him and includes a blaster. So this competent person is justifying that nothing but the person who has 20 years age and duly appointed by the writing of managers as a person who has supervised the workings which assigned to him, that he should be responsible for his duties and work he has been allotted. Okay, next definition is contractor. Contractor means an individual associate of individual company, firm, local authority or local body who provides for the service or operation in a mine on contract basis and include a subcontract. It is nothing but the person who has been running a individual association or individual company or firm or local authority or local body which may interact with the company who has giving for the job, nothing but who has giving a contract basis. It is nothing but temporary basis of job in the mining sector is called contractor. Decline. Decline means a passage from surface to below ground or from one part to another part of a below ground working at the shaft. Decline is nothing but a passage which connects the one shaft to other shaft or one part of a underground section to other ground underground section, or we can say simply surface to underground. Then deep hole drilling and blasting. It means the drill holes made more than 3 meters depth. It means drill holes made more than 3 meters in depth and used for blasting. This is generally used in the open cast mine operations. Is nothing but deep hole drilling and blasting. Designer. Designer means an individual, associate of individual or a company or institution who has been designed a metal first mine, method of mining or machinery, plant, equipment, appliances or substances for use in metal first mines. So this designer justifying that the individual person who has been designed for a metal first mines method of mining or machinery, whatever may be the plant, equipment, appliance, substances, these of a metal mine which may designed by someone he who has named as a designer. Next definition, discontinued working. Discontinued working means such a working in a mine as have been discontinued for some reasons and are inaccessible or rendered inaccessible but likely to be worked again. So, if the working which has been stopped for some reasons like inundation problem or any gases problems which may the persons we cannot access, or we can say simply inaccessible to the working area, it is known as disconnected work. So it may be continued in future. So this term is related to the working which has been stopped and this may be continued in the future. So we can call this as discontinued working. Thank you for watching this video. Remaining topics will be continued in next video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.